back to the channel, welcome back to the shop. I've got a 1984 Cadillac Eldorado Baritz in here, and this thing is amazing. You guys have to check it out. This is a little bit off topic for the Honda gang, but it's a really cool car. The interior is red. How pimpin' is this thing? Hopefully it's heading to bring a trailer soon.
For a while, I believed that's the kind of love I had.
Also, in the last video, we did that Skunk 2 exhaust on my S2000. We've taken that NVIDIA exhaust and thrown it onto Shane's car, and it sounds amazing. So pretty stoked to have that done too. But today we're gonna run down the road race and check out spare parts. Mark hopefully has that hood cut out and got the exhaust fitting in there all nice. Let's run down there and check it out, man.
What's going on, guys? We're back in the shop again, back with spare parts, doing the same old, working on it. We're back in here today in the shop to get this hood cut. Gotta show you, I'm gonna cut something. Those pipes are not finished cut, even though they look kind of cool all angles. This one I'm gonna cut. I traced about 3 times and double checked and closed. I know it's not gonna be right the first cut, but we're gonna get cut. We'll take the hood off, let's drill some holes, cut some holes. I don't even know if I got a hole saw. I don't even really know what I got here to do that, if we're gonna be able to get this accomplished today. So let's see. Well, I will have to say that looks pretty darn good. Pretty clean considering I used a Dremel with probably the wrong bit and a drill bit and a drill and cut it and then hand sanded and also did some Dremel sanding. So now it's time to see if it works. So let's check, see if this thing will fit. We were close. I'm gonna cut here. And that should do it. It's a little far this way, unfortunately. You know, what's the worst thing you do? You can build a cover for it later over the hood if it needs it. I think when it shuts, it'll be pretty close to it. It still has a good inch to come down. So when that inch comes, it'll probably close that off a little more. So hood comes back off, and hopefully this will be the last little bit of cutting. It's a bigger hole. It's not the prettiest. And it's not the roundest anymore, I guess. You know, I kept chopping away at it. But it's not terrible. I've seen way worse on cars, I promise you that. Let's test fit again. Probably a little bit more around the wastegate, on the sides there, and the front, but we'll be done. One more cut, I hope. Well, after a lot of cutting, grinding, and hand filing, I got it. A little big on the left side, a little tight on the right side. And the angle's not terrible looking. It's not right, but it's kind of funky. So now I would need to mark the angle I want these cut at off the hood and have them cut and you know, take them off in a bandsaw or something like that. We'll get to that eventually. The main part was to get the hood back on, get it bolted back down, make sure it's ready. And as I said, maybe right there. It's not, if it's touching, it's barely touching. 45, 50 degree day. See how this cold start goes. Probably didn't get none of that, but I was just driving. Well, let's wrap it up here. Hole in the hood cut, exhaust is up and out. I still have some wiring to do, boost gauges to hook up, oil pressure, just safety stuff, but more or less, it needs a good tune from Tim. I may or may not have just driven it down the road. The launch control was on, and it was on at all times, and there's no vehicle speed sensor hooked up or sending signal to the ECU right now. Putting at 4,000 RPM. I turned it to about 6. Felt pretty good, but not all the way hard, 100% throttle. So I'm pumped with that. We're out of here today.
Further and further forward with Spare Parts, man. Thanks you guys for being here, hanging out with Mark, hanging out with me on this one. We will see you on that next one. But until then,
stay mad.
Appreciate you being in the shop with us today. As always, stay mad and do whatever else.
Pull y'all to test me. Big fish and take a group of y'all to catch me. I draw quicker when it start getting sketchy. A bunch of them think they hard, just edgy.
but before we do that, shit, I want to start all over.
Here we go.
Also, we got Shane's exhaust put onto that.
That's two 10mm bolts. Only one on that side because it's got a rusted out hole.
Also, in the last video, you said. Also.
Film TJ.
But guys, today we're gonna run down to Snow Hill. But guys, today we're gonna run down to Little Washington. Shit. But today we're gonna run down to road racing.
Well.
This guy.
Two-step. I may or may not have just shit.
Moving further and further.